Hey guys, what's up? Elders Top Trading Reviews. Today I'm going to show you a Forex swing trading strategy that you can use today. It's very easy and very user friendly. So if you're new to trading, stay tuned and I'm going to show you an awesome strategy that you can use today. Right, let's begin. So you can expect to earn 487 euros because this is what I earned on AUD/USD. Using this strategy, you can do literally the same thing that I'm doing. I'm going to show you now the indicator. So we first indicator we're going to use is the moving average. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to hit a moving average. It's going to get this line over here. What we're going to do is just go into this icon over here, change the length from 9 to 200, and we want the moving average to be very strong. This is a long-term moving average. It's the maximum you can do. The length is 200, and pretty much on tradingview.com you cannot make it any higher, and even if you could, it wouldn't make sense. 200 is perfect. So what else do we need? We need another indicator which is called RSI. You probably have heard RSI before because most people are using this RSI indicator, but most people don't really use it the way I use it. You know, everyone uses RSI 14 for some reason. I like the length RSI 10. And let me explain why. Right, RSI 10 is just more sensitive, and in this situation over here it just works really well. So now what can we see on the AUD/USD, and why would it be a profitable trading opportunity for us? Well, it's not anymore, but it was, and I'll explain why. Just have a look over here. The 200 EMA was respected so many times previously. If we just look at the brush tool, let me just mark it. There we go. That's the first respected area. This is the second, third, fourth, fifth, nearly sixth, and seventh time it respected this area. What does it mean? It means that the 200 moving average line above all the charting candlesticks, it's been respected. You know, it's keep respecting this line, the charts respect this line, and we can trade off it. That's what we did. We are using the RSI indicator to tell us when the market is overbought. There's a lot of buying orders, and when it's overbought, what happens? Supply and demand, basically. If it's overbought, it's gonna start selling. If it's oversold, it's gonna start buying. Very easy explanation, but that's what it pretty much means. And what you can do now is just trade off this line, and look what's happened. It respected this line. It tried to break it over here with this red candle. As you can see, the wick is going up. When the wick is going up, it means it tried to break this line. However, it didn't. The candlestick closed on the daily with a bearish engulfing candle, basically meaning a bigger candle than the one next to it, and it's a clear indicator for us to start selling our order, which is what we did. Even if we have a look on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see everything a little bit more clearly. There's the little break. It's overbought. And then look, bearish engulfing candle close, which means that the sellers are in the market. There's a lot of sellers in this market. We had an exhaustion because what's after a push? We know that the markets move like this in these patterns over here, as you can see. So what's after push? Obviously exhaustion. And these are the main principles when you trade, you know, on the downtrend or the uptrend. You know, uptrend would be vice versa, the same thing, you know. So it's a push, as you can see over here. This is the push. This is the exhaustion. Then again, look, another push and another exhaustion. And where their levels are at, usually, you know, when you set the take profit levels and that, and all you need to do is just have a look at higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, depending on the market conditions you're trading. It doesn't have to be AUD/USD, it's just an example. But what we do over here, look, it had a push, exhaustion. Look, so that's the first exhaustion. Look, second, another push, another exhaustion. So what do you think is going to happen now? Of course, it's going to be another push, and then we're going to have an exhaustion to this previous high, because that's how the markets move. They move like that, you know. It's very easy. And that's how you would be able to enter even more trades and more trades on AUD/USD and keep on trailing your stop loss and making a lot more money. Because that's how you do it. You know, you initially put your first trade on AUD/USD, currently 440 euros in profit. It's probably gonna, you know, now go up a little bit to this level, as I said, because it's the level of sensitivity, which was previously respected. Obviously it broke out now, but it usually comes back up to this previous, you know, sensitivity level and then go back down again, push another lower low. That's how you enter the trade. So now if you couldn't enter this trade because you missed the trading opportunity, obviously on the daily you see it closed off over here. If you missed it, but we know that it's still moving towards the downwards direction, it's probably gonna have a pullback towards the upside and push down. Sorry for my bad drawing skills, I'm just trying to explain it. Also, what you can do on the AUD/USD pair to be even more profitable, and this is a little bit advanced, I would say. So what you can do is this, you know, that's what I would do personally. You know, I see this, you know, this is what's going on currently. I saw this bearish engulfing candle, maybe I placed this trade, we profited over here, but now what? You know, should we keep on selling or should we, you know, close off trades and see what's happening? Well, we go into the 4-hourly time frame and let's have a look at what's going on over here. So we can see that there's a clear trend line over here that has been respected first time and second time, and also it's on the 200 EMA line on the 4-hourly time frame, which is going to be a big factor in this decision. You know, if it starts moving towards the upwards direction, it probably bounce off this 200 EMA line that we have, the blue line, or this, you know, uptrend. But if it breaks, if the market manages to break towards the downside, then it will have an exhaustion to the previous high, as I mentioned, and it will probably drop down yet again to at least this level, because this was the previous lower low. This trade could probably still make us around, let's just have a look, around 50 to 72 pips, I would say. You know, take profit 1, take profit 2, maybe take profit 1, 30 pips, take profit 2, 75 pips or something. And this could still make us a lot of money. Although the RSI indicator over here says it's oversold, well, nearly, it doesn't matter, because on the daily time frame, as you can see, it's in the middle or even above the middle line, which is far from, you know, oversold line, which means that there's a lot of selling pressure currently that is pressuring the bull market. And if it breaks this trend line towards the downside, has exhaustion, it's a nice potential sell trade yet again towards at least this area over here or this area over here, which could make us a lot of money. Very, very simple strategy. I hope you found this helpful. If not, or you need some more help, make sure to comment down below. Also, I'm doing a Bitcoin giveaway for the people that comment, you know, comment something nice or just comment a question, and you will be automatically entered in the giveaway, and I'll announce them every couple of videos or so. Make sure to join my VIP trading signals group. We're killing the markets currently, as you can see over here. GBP/USD, for example, this is our trading signal that I sent out. We currently have this trade open on the GBP/USD, currently doing very, very well. Nearly reached our take profit 1 level, but we have reached take profit 1 and take profit 2 levels because I had this trade open yesterday at night time. I sent this signal out. So because I think the market will keep dropping on the GBP pairs, I entered another position with take profit 1, 2 and 3 levels, and this is the current situation. It hasn't reached our take profit 1 level yet, but it will 100% will, because the GBP pairs are dropping hard. And GBP/JPY as well, we entered this signal and currently reached our take profit 1. This is take profit 2, nearly reaching take profit 2 level, and take profit 3 is 120 pips. It's a lot of pips. I actually sent on my free Telegram group some results of my clients and also my own results. So if you want to join, link will be down in the description below. Right guys, have a nice day, take care, peace out, goodbye.